Hello everybody, so welcome back to the vlog, and today I want to discuss with you something that's very close to me, something that I've been working on very hard lately, and that is developing a trader's mindset. So before we get into this deeply, I just want to describe to you like two types of trades that I tend to take. So the first type of trade, I find it really easy to get into, really easy to click my mouse, but really hard to hold the trade. And that's, I think, because I feel like I know what the market's going to do. And so sometimes these trades come to me quite spontaneously because it makes a little bit of structure make sense. I click in and they go, oh gosh, I don't really know how to manage this, and then usually get stopped out pretty quickly. And then the second type of trade is one where I feel really uncomfortable putting it on, so sometimes I don't put it on, which is an absolute shame. They are trades where I think I feel uncomfortable because I think my idea is being tested. It might work, it might not. But what those ideas generally come from is from understanding a pattern in the market, and those are precisely the trades I want. So I feel uncomfortable putting those on, but when I put them on, I suppose I know where I'm right, where I'm wrong, and then I can let them play out. So I've talked about this mindset, but really what is the mindset about? And I think the best way to sum it up, and I'm going to use the words from the book, Trading in the Zone, and that's the anything can happen kind of mindset. Now, the idea here is the fact that you can't know what's going to happen, but what you can know is that if you've found an edge within the market, which is like a pattern that you've identified and seen before, and then you take that trade, then you are doing so knowing that it's more likely to work out than not, and that's the most you can hope for. And the great thing about having this anything can happen mindset is that once you're in the trade, you just go, well, okay, it's kind of out of my hands now. I know where I'm right, I know where I'm wrong, I know where I'm going to take profit, and then you just leave it. And while you're doing that, you can observe the market and be totally kind of like what I would call present with the market, and you say, well, what's actually happening now? Not what do I want to happen, or what do I want to happen, for the market to do exactly what I want. You just be totally open with it, that way you don't bias yourself with any information. One of the key things about trading is that while having a mindset's really good, you also need to understand some basics, how to identify trades, find edges in the market. And so if that's the stage you're at and you want some help with that, go check out elitetraderworkshop.com, where you can see some of the material that Axia Futures has to offer. There's some great stuff in there, and it's how I got started. So go take a look, elitetraderworkshop.com. So then the last thing to discuss is how to develop this mindset, and that I don't have the answer for you, but I can tell you what I've been doing. What I've been doing is working on this for the last 2 weeks, and I have been observing the market, waiting for my patterns to show up, and when I see a pattern that I understand, I just say, okay, where's this valid? That's my entry point. Where does it become invalid? Then I place a stop there, and then where should I take profit? Where's the sort of like, where does it complete? And I have had to reduce my size a bit and take stops that have been bigger than I would like at times. But like I said, I found some trades easy to take, and whenever I did those ones, they usually don't work out. And so the fact that, okay, I might feel uncomfortable taking more risk than I would like, but I'm actually giving myself the opportunity to take good trades and let good trades play out. And over the time, I've actually started to perform a little bit better, so that's been really comforting. And I think as those results come in, it's given me more confidence. So it's almost like a bit of a leap of faith here. All right, guys, that's it today. I'll catch you next time.